Every reader knows the two piles. There's the stack you mean to read and the books you actually finish. And by December, half of them are a blur. The Reading Challenge and TBR Tracker holds both in one spreadsheet you own. It's 6 connected tabs, a to-be-read queue, a year-long reading challenge, a bingo card, a rated finished books log, and a wrap-up that ties it all together. Everything counts itself as you fill it in. Prefer Google Sheets? You don't have to import anything. A link in your download opens a ready-made native copy. Click Make a Copy, and the whole workbook lands in your drive, with every dropdown and formula already set up. This is the wrap-up. Your reading year on one screen, books finished, pages read, your average rating, challenge, and bingo progress, and your top books, all calculated for you. It's built to screenshot and share. The TBR Queue is your to-be-read pile, kept honest, 1 row per book, with a priority and a want-to-read score, so you can sort the stack by how much you actually want each one, instead of by guilt. The Reading Challenge comes with 30 curated prompts for the year, a single-word title, one a friend told you to read, one you bought and never got to. Fill in the book you read, mark it done, and the workbook tallies your progress for you. The Reading Bingo tab is the lighter game, a 5x5 card. Type a book into any square you complete, and fill a row, a column, or a diagonal for a bingo. It counts your squares and your lines for you. Every book you finish gets a row on the Finished Books tab, a rating out of 5, whether it's a favorite, and a 1-line review while it's still fresh. This is the log the whole wrap-up reads from. The challenge and the bingo are the fun a blank spreadsheet leaves out, hand-picked prompts, and squares that nudge you a little wider, and tally themselves as you go. It comes with 3 PDF guides too, a Start Here guide, a playbook for getting more from the challenge, and a printable pack with the 30 prompts, a bingo card, and print and fill logs. So here's everything in the download: the 6-tab workbook, the 1-click Google Sheets copy, 3 PDF guides, and a worked example you read once. Then make your own. And it's yours. No account, no subscription, no reading app deciding what to show you. Just a plain spreadsheet you buy once and keep. It'll still open long after any app has shut down. Start your reading year today with the Reading Challenge and TBR Tracker from Ardent Workshop. A free starter is included, so you can try it first.